Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 4th, 2025. The topic of that show was Taking Religion Beyond Superstition. Swami, your thoughts?
Religion means to relink. Superstition is the belief produced by linking to the fear and limitation of mental material energy. And truth is found by reunion with the immortal spirit.
Looking to overcome the belief in superstition? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam